the Honda Rebel 1100 is further proof the firm build bikes that shock you with their simplistic brilliance. The Rebel 1100 is a genuine giggle, as nonchalantly nonplussed by bimbling along a seafront basking in its bassy tones and admiring glances, as it is capable of blitzing a mountain road with the sort of composure plenty of naked bikes can only dream of. The Honda Rebel 1100 is not only a powerful and reliable cruiser motorcycle, but it also boasts a sleek and modern design. Its blacked out finish gives it a distinctive and stylish look, and its low seat height provides accessibility to riders of all sizes. The bike's parallel twin engine produces a generous amount of power and torque, making it capable of handling a variety of riding conditions. One of the notable features of the Rebel 1100 is its slipper clutch, which helps prevent rear wheel hop during aggressive downshifting. Additionally, the assist and slipper clutch feature makes the clutch lever effort lighter, making it easier for riders to operate the bike. Honda's selectable torque control system is also a noteworthy feature, providing added stability and control in slippery or uneven riding conditions. This system helps prevent rear wheel slip, making it a great feature for riders who like to take on challenging roads. The bike's 4-piston front brake caliper and single-piston rear brake caliper provide superior stopping power, ensuring that riders can come to a quick and controlled stop in any situation. The Rebel 1100's comfortable riding position, spacious luggage rack, and removable pillion seat make it a versatile and practical option for both short and long rides. Overall, the Honda Rebel 1100 is a well-designed cruiser motorcycle that offers a powerful and enjoyable riding experience for all types of riders. Harley-Davidson Sportster S. The Sportster S is a powerful and stylish cruiser motorcycle from Harley-Davidson. It features a liquid-cooled 1252cc Revolution Max V twin engine that produces 121 horsepower and 94 pounds-ft of torque. The bike has a modern and aggressive design and comes with advanced features such as a 6-axis inertial measurement unit and multiple riding modes. Indian Scout. The Indian Scout is a classic and iconic cruiser motorcycle that boasts a powerful liquid-cooled 1133cc V-twin engine that produces 100 horsepower and 72 pounds-ft of torque. The bike has a retro-inspired design and comes with advanced features such as ABS and a USB charging port. Yamaha Bolt. The Yamaha Bolt is a stripped-down and minimalist cruiser motorcycle that features a powerful air-cooled 942cc V-twin engine that produces 65 horsepower and 54 pounds-ft of torque. The bike has a classic and simple design and comes with advanced features such as fuel injection and a low seat height. Kawasaki Vulcan S. The Kawasaki Vulcan S is a versatile and practical cruiser motorcycle that features a liquid-cooled 649cc parallel twin engine that produces 61 horsepower and 46 pounds-ft of torque. The bike has a modern and edgy design and comes with advanced features such as ABS and adjustable foot pegs. Triumph Bonville Bobber. The Triumph Bonville Bobber is a unique and stylish cruiser motorcycle that features a liquid-cooled 1200cc parallel twin engine that produces 77 horsepower and 78 pounds-ft of torque. The bike has a retro-inspired design and comes with advanced features such as ride-by-wire throttle and switchable traction control. Overall, the Honda Rebel 1100 is a stylish and powerful cruiser motorcycle that offers an enjoyable riding experience for both new and experienced riders. Its advanced features, such as the slipper clutch, assist and slipper clutch, and selectable torque control system, provide added stability and control, making it a great option for riders who enjoy taking on challenging roads. The bike's modern and minimalist design gives it a unique and attractive appearance, and its comfortable riding position and practical features, such as the luggage rack and removable pillion seat, make it a versatile option for both short and long rides. However, the Rebel 1100's relatively high price and limited customization options may not be suitable for all riders. Additionally, its weight and limited passenger space may be drawbacks for some riders. Overall, the Honda Rebel 1100 is a well-designed cruiser motorcycle that offers a powerful and enjoyable riding experience. It's a great option for riders who value performance and style and who are willing to invest in a high-quality motorcycle. What do you think of this bike? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.